Hello, and welcome to Stacio Designs YouTube channel. Before I continue, please go like, subscribe, however you want to follow me. I appreciate it. So today, I actually am doing, I'm pressing silk screens. I don't make silk screens, but I thought I'd give a quick demonstration on how to press them because the client wanted this shirt, which oddly enough is a sublimation print and cut. So that was kind of fun, but they wanted obviously a white design on it. So I made the design. I pre-pressed my shirt here for about 4 seconds, placed my design onto it. The screen prints come like this. So it's like a piece of paper, and then you can feel the ink or the paint. I'm really not 100% sure what the process is, but you can feel it a little bit. It's not like sublimation where it's ink that soaks into the paper. This is ink on top of the paper. So as you know, I align everything on the floor on my board, so I didn't want you to have to bear through that. So I did that below, and I just slide my board out because I'm not good at aligning things up here. Okay, so as always, on the bottom, I have my rubber mat, parchment paper, my shirt, my screen print, and another piece of parchment paper on top. So I am about to press this. The directions say 330 degrees, medium pressure. So I always buy one extra to do a test, and I found that 318 at 18 seconds worked better for me. So 318, 18 seconds. And it's actually probably a little bit less than medium pressure. I don't have something on my press that tells me low, medium, or high. I just do it by feel. When I first started, I did that piece of paper test in there. Okay. So it says to do a hot peel, but I found I just let it cool off for a little bit. And it says to pull from the left corner down. And the first one I didn't do because it just didn't make sense to me. But then I tried the second one with the left corner down, and oddly enough, for some unknown reason, it does work. It works better. It feels more secure. So that's what I'm going to do. I also blow on it a little bit. I'm not sure why. I just haven't not blown on it. And this works. But I think it just needed to be cooled a little bit. And there you go. I know for the camera it's upside down, but, and then just like vinyl, you do a second press for just a couple seconds to really adhere that to the shirt. And I'm going to do about 4 seconds. As you know, my press runs a little hot, so I drop it down a little bit to what recommended instructions are sometimes, but that's why I always do a test. And again, no need to blow on this, but yet I'm doing it. All right. And there you go. Oh. Okay. Very cool, right? This is for an Odyssey of the Mind competition. All right, so I hope you guys expand a little bit into screen printing. Well, at least pressing screen prints. If you have a one color or white, I mean, you could do this with Oki, you could do this with screen prints, you can do this with vinyl. But I looked at this design and said, no way am I reading this. So it was either Oki or screen print, and I found somebody that can do these screen prints for me rather quickly. So I went with screen printing. And it came out great. All right.